Welcome. In this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on your Microsoft Surface Studio Laptop 2. First of all, you have to download the diagnostics application, which is available on Microsoft Store. Just search for Surface Diagnostics Toolkit. Once you find this application, open its page and then install it. After that, you're gonna have to open the app, click yes, wait until it's loaded, and let's click continue. Then the app will check for updates. We are not supposed to install them all. Instead, we can just wait until the check is finished and then skip the update. Okay, so I can see that there is some Windows update. Let's continue to details and let's skip this update and then confirm. And we can also run the system repair. If you want to do this, you can click fix, otherwise just skip. Okay, and right now the diagnostics will begin. Click continue. And the first diagnostics we go through is the battery diagnostics, so we have to first disconnect our power supply. So let's do this and tap done, and then connect it once again. Click done once again, and this will allow this program to run the battery diagnostics. And now let's check the touch coverage. So let's select open, and then try to draw a line on this spiral to see whether the coverage is working well. Then tap done, and if you were able to trace the spiral, click yes. Then we'll be able to check the touch points. So tap your screen with as many fingers as you like, and if all of the touch points were detected, click yes. Continue, and then do not touch the screen for 5 seconds. Okay, let's tap continue. Then let's move the display forward to stage mode and click on continue. And then let's unfold the display and tap continue once again. And then hold your device in portrait mode and rotate the screen back, and then let's unfold the screen and get back into the desktop mode. Okay, let's tap continue and go with the following tests. By the way, we can skip the tests that we don't want to perform. For example, we can basically just skip all the remaining tests and then get the report on our diagnostics. Then we'll be able to check our system information, battery information, and the rest of the information on the sidebar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.